it shouldn't be so easy to walk away. Let's not pretend. Maybe I don't know what love is. Maybe I'm a fool. I just know what I'm feeling, and it's all because of you. Don't tell me I don't know. I want the truth. 'Cause they call it, we call it, you call it, I call it love. It's so clear for you to see. Don't let nobody tell you what to do. Why they can't just let us be happy? I don't wanna find somebody. No. If you know what's really in your heart, then don't let them tear us apart. 'Cause you believe I believe. No. What's the someone doing? I didn't know so. What's the sound?
My name is Diantia Odasotifia. My name is Diantia Omane Daso Echunchayame.
Why?
Crossing ba. Odaso Etifia ha yede.
Kate. Medical was so that. Sa run away and tumbling tea and hold us with fear. Baba Chapel. My pomsa crossing me by the fear. What am I saying? Minka say it's no.
Meninje. Kopim sa obe free fear. Meninje.
Katie. Missing my pomsa crossing.
Hey, what's I? No, let me hear crossing.
No, you're crossing.
That's. Let me hear crossing.
No, you're crossing.
And then maybe you're crossing your mouth. Maybe you're crossing in a bois. Or bow it, and then maybe you're crossing in a bois. Maybe no one pregnant, maybe you're crossing in a bois. Maybe you're crossing your barret. Who am I about to be me, and then maybe you're crossing. Who am I prepare when the salmon who are pretending no casa? May I say, my bro wanted to say, no casa. What blaming me? Namino casa, maybe show you for come on. Maybe show you what barret, no about time. Crossing the bar. No time, maybe you're crossing. Mrs. Maybe Fiaco. Or Senate, maybe Fiaco. The one had a call. Maybe Yapan had no say. I can't Hey, so maybe Fiaco, yeah, meet me near my band home house. Sir, I didn't see the chance of it. Munko, Mufiaco, I was saying, Munko, not Cashier could remember Sumotuda. Why was I? Munko, what are you going to say? Munko, what a train, what did you buy your son? Get make a show. One for bad in Yatiasa. What was all for bad? What is any anti? Send me what to say. When him up. A fine on me pray. One for the anti.
Sister. Ana mu yedi o ha mu yusho bia na.
Sister to me ba me kunu ho na me kunu pam.
Wo ba kunu ho na wo kunu apam.
Wo ko fo ba bi no apam.
Ada o ti ha ba bi.
Ba cho o ti espresso.
Ana mba transa. Ase musro.
Ba cho na ba bi na. Baby, I can crown.
Obani. Oh, Adiasa. So in Bakra. Auntie, Mum, baby, da, sir, it will be okay for you.
But your uncle.
Oh, Minty sir. I'm a very responsible man. I'll get a place for you to sleep so that tomorrow we move on, okay? Okay, Mumba Trasina. Marriage wasn't something that I intended to go into. But since you came into this house and you came into my life, and after getting married to you, I've now seen how worthy it is to be married. And I promised myself that I will always remain married to you until I die.
I love you, darling.
Me too.
Don't be facing. There is no room to blame one another. We just
Hey, Gina. Come to me. So, how are you this afternoon? You're fine. You know what? I want to make a promise to you. I want to do everything that will make you happy. I promise that I will send you to school, give you a very good education, and send you to the university. And after you finish university, I will send you to England to study to become a doctor. Thank you. That's my daughter. Thank you too.
Yes. For the past 1 week, I'll bounce will be about.
Oh, sad and the mother, we ninjas.
You will be uncle watching me. You will be uncle watching me.
Don't tell me,
Mate, my last relationship for the past 1.5 years, many of them may be uncle out. I just saw you. And it's sure to see you. Well,
yeah. Kate!
Oh, so I'm sorry, so for being a con who went to her. And I said, I say, my mom might want out.
Oh, now okay. Put out water, neck and the green union red and the bag. Say, come to me there.
Also, my own money.
Kate!
Nothing my father, Mamma. I never saw Joe post you to whom I brand you. Sorry, Sophie.
Me from the good thing now. I'm a high time man. Not the only time ending. So for I say the more than mama.
I don't know where.
Kate.
That's what I meant to say. What do I saw for you, man? I catch you.
Okay.
Also, Miss So, please don't be bra.
Now,
I say, oh,
now also, and our friend was saying,
me will fear. Your friend is so for say, Panini.
Say they are Chinese sugar.
No,
Son of them.
oh, Miss So, you're so full. Miss So, you're so full. Did you are so full? Ah, you're so full. Miss So, you're so full. I say. I'll say.
Right now, I've gotten a ticket for your trip to Dubai. It's all ready. Manyalinga. And this is the Ojan India, Narabasuba. Right?
Thank you, darling.
Papa, now, I'm going to the airport or Dubai now. So I'm going to purchase your goods. Oh no. So as soon as you get there, I'll call him. Then he will meet you at the airport. To our church or why?
Okay.
Hey, ma. Who we could Dubai?
Yeah.
Ah! Dubai burger.
Yes.
The dad now Dubai. Ah! Fun in Colombo, Dubai, yes.
Dubai is not bad. Prices near. Very cheap prices.
Okay.
Did you know? All say phones a man Italian.
And this is me, we brush.
Ah, can you be brave? To find your man, but now from one of my bashes. Says him, answer me to come. The cow no papa and crown fear. Mrs. Rowe, I did him wife. Show mamma what? Nancy baby trash to the maker.
That's it. That's the security guy no permanent. Baby, I know what. But me just getting it to us, I wasn't. And now, we'll be a bit mirror, Cronfobia bit mirror. And this is son, perfect for a bra.
What's what I can do about it? As for you know, I'll do everything for you. Anything you ask me.
Okay. Alright, thank you.
That's what you
Your heart is not open, so I must go. Freedom comes when you learn to let go. Creation comes when you learn to say no. You are my lesson I had to learn. I was your fortress you had to burn. Pain is a warning that something's wrong. I pray to God that it won't be long. Do you wanna go higher? There's nothing Your heart is not open, so I must go. The spell has been broken. I loved you so. You are my lesson. I had to learn.
Very sweet.
I was your
Alright, this
fortune.
is like so sweet. Why?
There's nothing left to lose. There's no more heart to bruise. There's no greater power than the power of goodbye.
Dad. No. Dad, what have you done to me?
Don't tell your mother. Don't tell her. No. I'll buy a car for you. Yeah? I'll buy a nice car for you. In fact, I'll buy everything that you need. So will you tell your mother?
Inside a movie, but his love is so real to me. He's here. I finally found someone that I can call my own. Now that I'm not with you, you want me to come back. Now he loves me the way that I wanted you. Love me. He's always thinking of me. He's nothing like you at all. I don't know what I'll stay with you for.
One. You're buying only one.
I'll buy one.
Hey, Mama.
Please, how much is this one?
150 million.
How much? 250 million.
It's okay. Wow. If I come with me, I'll try. Daddy, I'm trying to try. If I can do it. Never try.
When you should call, standing there. Take you in my arms and hold you right where you belong till the day my life is through. This I promise you. This I promise you. And I promise you never this
that Abuaji the contractor? Yes, Mr. Abuaji. Listen very closely. I have terminated the contract. Why has it taken you so long to complete the contract? Now, from today onwards, I don't want you to step in here at the site. I have taken the contract from you, period. And if I see you, I'll get the police to go after you. What? I said, don't step on the site. Yes, I've taken the contract from you. Finish. Yes, in fact, the pool, as for the pool room, everything is there. All the games that you can think of in this world, you see. And as I said, Gina's room is at the back, that one there. And it's as big as possible, so that Gina can have enough space. You see, I love you, my daughter, you see. But I'll make sure this house is completed as soon as possible. I'll have to get someone to complete the house for me. I'm so angry with Abuaji, the contractor. He should have finished this building by now.
Patience. Mom said be patient.
I will, darling. I will. Isn't it?
Hello? Yeah. Contractor. You mean to me, can we be answering me? So, no, dear Juan, no, see, Jaya, me and then. Juan, answer. Well, you answer. Besides, our appointments are or for be bound. And I will be fabricated by a mobile and so to me, and in big grass. Huh? Maybe can be journal. Contractor, we are making the decision away. Maybe I'm making the decision away to me to make I. Huh? Debbie, my auntie. Me can be reached down. Me doing a baby and tell me patch out. I was also off the contractor from into the from the farm. When you be all over the Juman Bemanai. Patch your baby, we were there. We're making decision. Wait to me, we're making this. Sorry, David. The Juman, she's not making a reach at that. Lucia. Look at that. Share and friend you what? Lucia, no one bassor.
By one bassor. You don't say anything, or bassor. Bassor.
Ma, this is Lucia bassor was soft.
Alexa, you watch it.
No company master. Oh, I am not. Matters away that boy. I make a sound. I need to. What's a contract? I know you fair. Hello. Contractor, Mr. Man, framing to me carrying Jimmy Baba.
I guess it's time to go. Crying time is over. I know I can't control feelings. If she won't return, then I guess I'll be a man and move on.
Baby, Patrick. Yeah, no, Mama, you're confused. We know I'm perceiving.
Yo.
Girl, now no both more.
Start Gina.
Gina. No, I'm school. Tina, my confused. Can't finish.
Madam Crab.
What you be built?
What's here? Junction here.
We are junction. So, if I say,
hotel white be there one. You opposite.
Oh, we are. Oh, okay. But you meet here.
Bye.
I look at you, you look at me. You can tell me you ain't feeling butterflies. It's obvious, that's clean. I think I know what it feels so right. Girl, I wanted so long to know. Now you, 'cause they call it, we call it, you call it, I call it love. It's so clear for you to see. Don't let nobody tell you what to do. Why they can't just let us be happy? I don't wanna find somebody more. If you know what's real.
Hi.
Good afternoon.
Yeah, good afternoon.
Yeah.
Are you looking for something?
No, I'm sorry. My name is Jack, the contractor.
Yeah.
Yeah, and my client wants a similar house, so I've been trying to sketch the house for my client.
Oh, okay.
He loves the building. It's a lovely place you got here.
You look familiar. Do I know you?
No.
Are you not the guy I bumped into at the supermarket?
No, I don't think so.
Oh, okay. Well, fine. Oh, I think my father is in. I don't know if you can talk to him.
Yeah, that would be fine. So I could get a building plan from him.
Are you alone?
I'm alone.
No, I have to ask you, you know.
Yeah.
I'm Robert this day.
Maybe I know what love is. Maybe I'm a fool. I just know what I'm feeling, and it's all because of you. Don't tell me I don't know. Maybe I want the truth.
Oui, gros bébé, GB, Isaiah, Nasa le lot porte bébé. Ekila monganga soki apesi ngai ya koliaka mongwe ekosala yango.
It's like Jesus!
Like the whole, you'll be a big wrong. Hey, Papa. sisi adan. Dada. Oye contractor ba onu sisi adan ya. Okay. Nchope contractor. Na maka chense meme contractor.
Majuma, me dada.
Magia fata.
Dada.
Ti. Uni. Sisi ano. The contract ba kwa mama. Say me sit down bi man. Okay. Nti pese me say adwuma no mam. Na o yes adwuma no mam, but uni de bia me ba adwuma mo. Oh, na ma yet say me na me contract.
Na me fa no amount.
Oh, jai. Uza, na me structure nyama nti oba ma na o say me na me contract. So when he hears say say be am to me winnie girl.
Na jag dey me no dey say it's like that. Oh, me wow no.
Sisi awni. Like Ben said, da ben na membra na me fa contract number. Wouldn't plan ya this.
Yes.
Bed and time.
Around 7:30 going.
7:30. Yeah. Okay. Me bro, me friend say na my friend. Charlie. One boy me be ham you.
Ja. It's like that. Hey.
Ja. Contractor. Hey, lad how
I am come on. So there's a time it's like that.
Slide. When you planning yeah. We didn't need more.
Yeah.
Okay. Now where they? People go higher. Yeah.
We you know
side plan.
Yeah, side.
Oh, okay. What's your side plan?
Yes.
In the end, they mean. Okay. Charlie, unim. Washano pa obebe jumu mo. Ti pese me dress na mbe jumu ko na. Who say me na me contract.
Dress change na jan. We nya yes our dress.
Normal dress. Yeah. Who say blocks super kind blocks so then there's such a mini so and yes
super kind blocks ni you know any man is MC be over kind so na I don't know so no say asie no oh we dey djuma mo down so that entiza dan bitin agu agunti say check ni na come so sa na djuma e for no so no pressure na on
it's like what boy me found and I'm share one.
That's all man say.
When you say was stuck to crowd have the
hey Jack no. Jack na give me a bit me up
and now we are pushing.
Jack
my wow. We know. Wow, some contractor on the bow, but I'm sorry respect.
Jack.
Yeah.
Make yourself comfortable.
Thank you.
Let me call my parents, alright?
Okay. Fine, ma'am.
Well,
hello, sir.
Yeah.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. Sit down.
Thank you very much. Sit down. Good.
In fact, I appreciate the good work you did for me. It clearly shows you're a very, very good contractor.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you very much.
Good.
So you can call on me if there are any other jobs.
Of course. It's obvious. I will call on you because you are worth it. Okay?
Thank you, sir.
Pass by my office tomorrow morning, first thing, and pick up a check for the remaining amount of money.
That can wait if you don't mind.
No. You may need it.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. Okay, I'll ask permission to leave, sir.
So soon.
Thank you very much.
You're most welcome. That's good.
Thank you, Mom.
Do you want me to see you off?
Yes.
Yeah, Dad. I'm going to see him off. I'll be back in a minute.
Have a nice day, sir.
All right. he's a very good contractor, and I like his architectural definitive designs and things like that. So I'm even hoping I'll give him the project at Nsuta, the Nsuta government hospital building, and the other ones. I think he can do that. What do you think?
That is a good idea. Oh, my friend was in a good man.
Oh, Tanaso.
That's not a
okay. I see. Anyway, I have Mancho.
Oh, Mitchell. 2 weeks.
Hey, 2 weeks.
Oh, 2 weeks. Second. For sure. Hey. Yes, mother.
My sister also be too gone.
You call her
no, I made a mint now. I can't teach you now.
Okay.
We could do 2 weeks no one teach you now. Meant to meet my fear.
Now my show.
I said, Papa, will not be to my friend.
Oh. No, maybe quite be in my little. Tonight, what? Huh?
That's all. No more did you a restaurant to the beer. To you, many of it, I could do a restaurant.
Oh, Papa could do well until Cousin will. Tell me that.
Now, what you say, only one. Not idea who we are. No, only one people there. No one soon as I am.
Oh, now it's me.
And yet, a free woman, woman, let me say, if you man will fear. You was away.
Why is it? I was to show what?
Mammy to me.
Oh, man, sir. You 2 minutes, the one why is out. Why, Mamma, brought to mind this? I recount a man. 2 million this.
Say, Father.
Oh, I don't know 2 million this.
Ago.
How are you? I'm fine. Where is the house boy? Where is he? Ezio! Ezio! Ezio!
Madame!
Adewada.
Madame,
I'm
so dying.
Can you imagine? If you are bored, you are so Sudan, why would I be?
Bacho.
Oh, yeah, Juma, share all where Raha, where into 70 pounds in a band of a baby, and go on found come aboard. All right, well, last one. Let's go inside. Let's go.
For you.
You bought this for me. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much. That's the way. Thank you. And have a seat. Okay. Since you brought, I think this right.
Right.
Let me get some water. Okay. By the time I come, you open the setup.
Asem me sum later no mama so zalo nkwan me mun sam kwa man kwa mejai asem kwa ka yote no me ka ya fi me wiki medi kwa asem na mo de tete won
Okay, let me help you. Why, any problem?
I have something to tell you.
What is it? What is it? Tell me.
See, sorry, look, I love, I've fallen in love with you. I just can't help it anymore. I know you like me. So the possibility of you falling in love with me is guaranteed.
Jack, you know what? It's true that I like you, but I don't like you anymore. Rather, I love you. I love you too. I can't hide it anymore too. Yes.
Gina.
Yeah.
I love you too.
I love you too. What?
No.
No.
Alright. When are you coming to visit me?
Very soon, I will.
You promise?
I promise I will.
No. If you promise, you take it. No, you take it.
I should take it if I promise. No. Okay.
Thank you.
I will. I promise so. No.
Okay.
Oh.
Asha na dia me mpama di o.
Asha na se pamba de mo.
Na dia me nya.
Oh, pa chobla. Acho, spete en tela ni.
Menshi.
Sige, ni como kakle.
Sa.
Acho. Tens. Ni como kakle. Acho e frase.
Ya fama kweje mfua.
Kwa mpacho maniji wo.
Wanije me. Na oni mi we.
O te mo se de bi o twemo ase. O so ade ya o yem mobo. Mbese mno kofi. Mkoya kama. Eh. Nante menka. Bagasi onte menka. Na wi kam te se yi hiani bi. Unge ska yi hembuto. One fear is here anymore. Fear, you better fear me. Take a kind of papa.
Oh, papa, fear any fear, Cassie.
Ah, Nanteminka, Bagasu. Hey, the castle number 8, actual go a cracker, and wanted. Another moment, Rancher. And I'll buy and check them. If you're winning, Papa Fear.
Wow, it's you. Papa Fear.
Hey, sister, Auntie Bogasunka. Papa Fear, no, now name me Fear Messi. It was 25.
25?
Can I?
Oh, be our Papa Fear ni. Fika Kraken. Now, what fear to us 25? Sure, what daddy.
Sure. Now become Pana. And I can also back anime. China for Nessie, Ghana for 20 minutes. I come have a flow about it. Whom we need to make a boy who's high away.
And now I obey me.
Minyo.
Hey, Papa,
Minyo, why? Manito. Why, my boy? If you do it, young Fanco. We got to wear a time.
Hey! Me figure me fear my bunting in
Miss William Fanco, Mamma, let it go on. Pum bum, Kaba, bum bum better. Hey! If you return background, me should now, if I am in it. But sit your grand, you could. What is it? Young cock now, and better, dear animal. Only cocoa, medium water. Papa family can hear me. Young Colum Comaca can. Baby, you won't fit you. Oh, so I didn't. Oh, I didn't have to try. Huh? I didn't. Oh, Daniel, Miss Mamma, let's go on. Give me the race. Now go home, Papa. Yes.
Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon, sir. I have to go. No.
You didn't see anything.
He didn't respond when I greeted him.
And so?
I think
You
he
didn't
saw
see
us.
anything?
Are you sure?
Yes. Come on.
Hey, you foolish boy.
Good afternoon, sir.
What is good about this afternoon? Haven't you completed the building contract I offered you?
I have.
Haven't I paid you all your money?
Say you have, but...
So, what are you doing in my house?
I came to visit her.
Is that part of the construction work I gave you?
No, sir, no.
You stupid fool.
Thank you, sir.
Now, I don't want to see you in my house again. Get out of my house. Ah!
Would you dance if I asked you to dance? Would you run, never look back? Would you cry if you saw me crying? Would you save my soul tonight? Would you tremble if I touched your lips? Would you laugh, hold me in your arms tonight? I can be your hero, baby. I can kiss away the pain. I will stand by you.
Dad, what do you want?
Of course, for the usual thing.
Please, I'm not ready to do anything. Besides, this is my room. I need to have my privacy. Get out. I'm not interested.
Why?
I need to have my privacy, please.
Hey, why?
Get out. Dad. Get out. Get out.
That's some chemistry. I think I know what it feels so right. Girl, I wanted so long to know. Now you're telling me you gotta let it go. Don't tell me I have to start all over again. Never thought this day would come. This is something that I wanted in my life. I realized that you're the one. And you're telling me it's time to say goodbye. What's inside of my heart, it ain't gonna change. So it shouldn't be so easy to walk away. Let's not pretend. Maybe I don't know what love is. Maybe I'm a fool.
What bring me home?
Show you for come on. Show you what?
Se me fifi akodia metimi nya me ba ne ko ma usa sa ba we dey tina chese obetimi ame ba me
munko
mate
mufifi anko munko
me ko wai o sei me ko
munko
na kashe ko du me masumoto da wai o sei me ko wai munko wo dey yiro huna yesa wai munko na wo bi na sna me dey na malo
munko
do ro so chire wo dey twen wo dey bi ba ye wo sna se
Get.
Make a show. One for bad in Natiasa. That was all for bad. What did you
say? Me go tell me to say. When him up. A fucking on me pray.
One for the Natiasa.
Right here, 'cause baby
meeting. What's the someone? I didn't know so. What's the son?
Minim de nti oda so tifia. Minim de nti a o man da so etwintwan ya me.
Why?
Krasi ni ba. Oda so etifia ha eye de.
Kate. Medically was so that. Sa krona wo we ntamninti na wo da so fia na wo. Ba be tia krona wo. Ma pon sa crossing ni ba da fia. Wo ha be say. Me can say it now.
Meninje. Kopim se obe free fia ha. Meninje.
Kate. Me say me pon sa crossing.
Hey, what say? Na da me krasi.
Na wo krasi.
Das. Me krasi ni.
Na wo krasi.
Na me krasi ni ama me. Me krasi ni me boa. Oba wetimi na me krasi ni me boa. Mimi no apre na de mimi yekrasi ni boa. Mimi yekrasi ni oba weti.
Wo ni mapre.
Oba weti mimi na mimi yekrasi ni.
Wo ni mapre.
Me no apre pa, wo de say me no apre, ta say me no kasa ti.
Lakuma.
Me I tina say. Ma bro ho ti.
Sweetheart, you see, marriage wasn't something that I intended to go into. But since you came into this house and you came into my life, and after getting married to you, I've now seen how worthy it is to be married. And I promised myself that I will always remain married to you until I die.
I love you, darling.
You too.
Don't be alone.
Sister. Ana mu yedi wa ha mu yusho biana.
Sister, me ba me kunu ho na me kunu pam.
Wo ba kunu ho na wo kunu apam.
Wa ko fo ba bi no apam.
Ada oti ha baby.
Ba tro oti esreso.
Ana mba transa. Ase musro.
Ba tro na baby na. Baby ayo ko no kwan wa.
Obani.
Ba tro.
Oh. Adiasa. So en kakra. Enti mam baby da say it will be okay for you.
But you
oh, minty sir. I'm a very responsible man. I'll get a place for you to sleep so that tomorrow we move on, okay? Okay, mumba transina.
Come back, baby, please come.
obvious, there's some chemistry.
I think I know what it feels so right.
Girl, I wanted so long to know. Now you're telling me you gotta let it go.
Don't tell me I have to start all over again.
Never thought this day would come.
This is something that I wanted in my life.
I realized you're the one.
And you're telling me it's time to say goodbye.
What's inside of my heart it ain't gonna change, so it shouldn't be so easy to walk away.
Let's not pretend.
Maybe I don't know what love is. Maybe I'm a fool. I just know what I'm feeling, and it's all because of you.